welcome back to my channel. So as y'all can obviously by the title, today is just gonna be a maintenance vlog. As y'all can see, my nails are looking busted. Okay, I took my set that I had off. What is lip gloss all the way up there? But yeah, I took my nails off that I had on, and I'm about to go. I'm trying to be the first one at the nail salon. It's like 9:30. Nail salon open up at 10. I want to be the first one there, so I'm gonna go get my nails done. Then I'm gonna get my brows ready, and then my daughter is gonna do my hair tomorrow. So yeah, when I tell you I need gas so freaking bad, like I need gas. But I'm gonna have to wait until I leave the nail salon, because the nail salon that I go to, like, they're super good. They make sure that they shape the nails to your nail or whatever, and to your hands or whatever, and they be super packed. So I had to be the first. So I gotta be the first one there. So we'll see y'all when I get there. The name of it is Hollywood Nails. It's on Collins in Arlington, Texas. So make sure y'all check them out. Okay. I need to get a full set. So these are my nails, super cute. I wanted to try something different this go around, so I got like the almond shape, and I'm really feeling it. And then I just got like a little glam nail. I was gonna get a different, but yeah. Everybody can't do someone else's, like, because I had a picture of someone else's work, and like everybody else can't do what someone else did, depending on the design. And it was a lot, and she did it on one hand, and it was a no for me. So I was like, no, just just keep them all this color, because this is like a powder or whatever. And then, like, I was just like, you can just put a clear coat on it, and then just do me like a bling design on one finger or whatever. So it turned out cute or whatever. So yeah, I'm about to go to get my brows done. So yeah, my brows are so, like, the hairs are so freaking light, but yeah, I mean, I can tell, but I definitely need them threaded. So I'm gonna go get them threaded. brows done, and as y'all can see, they look so freaking good. Oh my god, make sure that y'all come here. I will put the name and everything on the screen, and they were super nice or whatever. Like, most people don't like you to record and stuff like that, but yeah, so shout out to them. It's Luxury Eyebrow and Threading. I'll make sure to put it on the screen and the address and all that, so that way y'all can come. I live in the South Orlington area, so it's literally 15 minutes away from where I stay. But yes, they did a really good job, and I am gonna continue to come here because yes, baby, they slayed them brows, and I love them or whatever. I went to one place, y'all, up here when I first moved up here. Never went back, but I recommend y'all to come here. Very nice place. Baby, my brows are everything. I love when I get my brows threaded because they just look so fresh and so good or whatever. But yes, make sure y'all check them out. Okay, period. They did their thing. You guys, so I'm getting my hair done now. So yeah, I gotta take my hair back to the hair store because yeah, 60 inch, and I will not be putting 60 inches in my head. So yeah, so my hair is done. Brows, nails. Yes, y'all, I feel real pretty. I like to do self-care for myself at least twice a month, especially with my nails. Like, my nails is something that I do to treat myself all the time. But yeah, I hope y'all like this little maintenance vloggy vlog and all of that. Yes, I should have put on me some lashes, but I'm gonna go to work, so I'm like, that's the only reason why I didn't get my lashes done, because I be having to work, and yeah. But on the weekends, I just throw on my little strip lashes that I sell, and girl, so yes, I hope y'all like this little vloggy vlog. And yes, I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the Pretty Girl crew. We're on the road to 2K. As I told y'all before, I want 5K by the end of this year. That's my goal. So yes, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.